Watching out for you, this is Storm Team 8.
And off to a nice start this Tuesday morning out there. We start out in the 40s, pretty chilly, but with that in late May or mid-May sunshine, no problem warming things up. 63 degrees currently at the Wood TV 8 studios, downtown Grand Rapids, Battle Creek, 62, 65 in downtown Kalamazoo, and 63 in the Hudsonville area. A little bit cooler right along the lakeshore. We had to see a breeze develop off of Lake Michigan, which the water temperatures I just checked this morning range from about 56 to 53 degrees. Let's take a look at it right now with temperatures area-wide, north, south, east, and west. In our viewing area, you can see everybody has pretty much cracked the 60-degree mark, with the exception right along the lakeshore. Holland, 52 degrees right at the pier. That's dead center in the water for the most part, and we're looking at 56 at Grand Haven. Notice how there's a little more green here. Look at this little sliver of green. A little bit cooler temperatures here, and I'll show you why in just a moment. You can see on the visible satellite and radar composite. Watch how this cloud line, kind of a tongue of moisture right from southern Lake Huron, extending right to around on the I-69 area, right around Eaton Rapids and Charlotte. It's drifting a little bit to the south, so we're going to clear things out near I-69, and eventually we'll see this kind of evaporate. Everybody else, though, enjoying the sunshine, and that's going to continue to be the case today, tomorrow, and it looks like all the way throughout the end of the work week for the most part. Wind, a little bit breezy, 9 miles an hour out of the northeast, currently in Grand Rapids, also northeast at 12 in the Kalamazoo area. Most of the time, it's going to be less than 10 miles an hour as this area of high pressure slowly works its way across the Great Lakes, kind of an area of sinking air, and that kind of eradicates the clouds, if you will, and moves them out. Now you can see some showers well off to our north and west. Those will not bother us as this area of high pressure pretty much sets up shop right across the Great Lakes. 24-hour forecast will start you at 6 o'clock right along the lakeshore. In most areas, we'll see a northwest wind around 5 to 10 miles an hour at that time. Temperatures should be right around 70 degrees once you're away from the lakeshore, holding in the 60s at the lakeshore. Tonight, looks like temperatures again will dip down into the 40s, but at midnight we'll still be in the mid-50s. Tomorrow morning, right around 6 o'clock, temperatures hovering right around 48 degrees, so mid to upper 40s. And you notice there's a few clouds on the eastern side of the state. Those will not bother us. By the noontime tomorrow, temperatures right around 70 degrees. Won't stop there. I think we'll see high temperatures approach 80. And in the 8-day forecast, this will be the trend as we head towards the holiday weekend. Notice on Thursday, 88 degrees, a breezy south to southwest wind. On Friday, 87 degrees, maybe a little more humid at that time frame. Now Friday, there will be a cold front approaching us, and that will give us a chance of a shower or a thunderstorm. And it'll be a fairly weak one. As it drops to the south, it's going to stall out and move to the north as a warm front. And Saturday, that's why we have the chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the forecast. But as that warm front moves to the north, you can see what it does. Temperatures on Sunday, 88 degrees. Now, I think the temperatures this weekend, we kind of have a conservatively low. I would not be too surprised to see a 90-degree reading this weekend.
Wow.
Just if we can get that warm front north.
Like last weekend, well, like Sunday.
Oh my goodness, what a weekend.
It was, yeah.
What are the chances, though, because we were talking yesterday with Laura anyway, and at the time then, there was some worry that maybe that cold front was going to be a little bit further south. So if we were to drive north, say, for example, this coming weekend, should we be worried about cloudy conditions?
Well, it does look like a greater threat of rain farther north. But it all depends where the front's set up, and that's where we have to keep watching.
I know. It's going to be
a pessimist. I know that.
No, I'm just curious. Because we're trying.
Are you going up?
Yeah, we were talking about going north, but then Laura was like,
yeah, I kind of hedge that way too.
Okay.
Yeah, so far.
All right, we'll keep an eye out. Thank you so much, Matt.